Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to provide a CCS quote for a guardian using the CCS Fee Calculator. To do this, you're going to click on your service menu and under SP Features click on the CCS Fee Calculator. This feature is helpful and will save you time when providing a quote for CCS subsidy for a child at your service. You can either select a child from the drop-down box that is already in your database, or you can type in the child's name, enter in the CCS percentage, the total CCS hours per fortnight, and the CCS withholding percentage. If the child is a school child, you will need to tick the box "Is school child." Select the session cycle, whether it's weekly or fortnightly. Select the session type. Select the number of sessions. You can also manually enter in the session hours and the session fee. You can add additional sessions, and you can also add another child. Please ensure you update the week ending to the applicable date you wish to provide the quote for. Please note the CCS calculator will work in the fortnightly session patterns for CCS. When you're ready, you can click Calculate Fees. On the right-hand side, it's going to display the fee charged and estimated CCS for week 1, and the fee charged and CCS estimation for week 2. Please note you can see the CCS estimations are based on the fortnightly cycle. So week 2 may be different to week 1. It will then show you the total fees charged, the total estimated CCS, leaving the estimated fortnight fees payable for the guardian, totaling the guardian's overall total down the bottom. You can generate this in a PDF to send out to your families or print and supply to the guardian. If you require any further information in regards to the CCS Fee Calculator, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. Just a small tip, those CCS values are estimations only. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.